That's good to know. And are you both ready for our lesson for today? Are you ready for our lesson for
Yes.
today? Yes. Okay, so now let us start our lesson for today. So for this one, Nam, can you read our lesson for today?
Jungle friends.
Jungle Friends. Very good. So for our lesson for today, we will talk about jungle friends. Okay. So now, Jang, can you read this also? Let's say jungle, jungle
Four.
friends. Yes, very good. So for today, so we will talk about the animals that lives in the jungle. So now let's go to our next page to find out those animals. So let's go. Okay. So, okay. So let's look at our first picture. So this place, what do we call this place? Do you know?
Grass.
This
Jungle.
grass, yes. So we have here grass, but we call this place as
Jungle.
jungle. So very good, Jang, and very good, Nam. So as we can see in the picture, so we can see a lot of grass. So how about Chang? What can you see in the picture? There are a lot of, what are this? There are a lot of
Tree.
trees. Yes, so very good. So in the jungle, so we have a lot of trees because it is or it serves. So let's write this one. So trees serves as the habitat of some jungle animals. So they climb and rest in the trees. Okay. So now let's go to our next picture.
This,
Let's have our first
no,
animal.
this is
What
animal.
what animal is this? Do you know this animal? We call this animal bat. Yes. Do you know the movie Batman? Do you know?
No.
I know.
I
How
know, I know, I know, I know. It
you
is
know? Yes, it is a Superman. So Batman is a kind of bat. So like this one. So this is a bat. So Batman is a superhero, but in the animal or in the animal form, it is a bat. Okay, so this is our first animal. It is the bat. Next. What animal is this?
this a tiger.
Wow, very good. How about you, Jang? What animal is this? Our second animal. It is tiger. Tiger. Do you like tiger? Yes or no?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Are you not scared of tiger? It might bite
Yeah.
you. You're not scared of tiger. Wow, you're so
I don't
brave.
scare.
You're not scared. What if the tiger bites you? What if
Um.
what if the tiger bites you? You will run? Run, run, run.
Yes, I run really fast.
Yes, that's good. We should run because we should take care of ourselves. Okay. So next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this?
The bird.
It's a bird. Very good. This is a bird. What color is the bird?
It's blue,
It's blue.
yellow, red, dark
Yes.
blue, white, and
Very good. And what do you call this part of the body of the bird? What do we call this one?
I see wings. Wings.
Yes, very good. So wings, we call
What?
this. Oh, yes, very good, Jang. So we call this body part of the bird as wings. What are wings used for? Why do birds have wings? Why do birds have wings? Because it makes them or it can make them what do? They they fly. So birds have wings too for them to fly. Okay, so they use their wings to fly in the sky. So that is their wings. Okay, next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this? What animal is this? This is a fur. What animal is this, Jang? Frog. Wow, very good now. So write the frog. F. What is the second letter? R.
D.
Very good. Very good, Jang. So, so this is the spelling of the frog. Frog. So what color is the frog? Hmm.
It has blue, green, yellow, yellow,
Yeah,
yellow,
yellow. Yes, very good. How about its mouth? What color is its mouth? It is
red.
color red. Very good. Next, let's go to our next animal. What
A monkey.
animal? A monkey. Wow, very good. So fast. So this is a
Monkey.
monkey. What color is the monkey? What color is the monkey? It is bur brown. So the monkey is color brown. Okay, next. Oh, what animal is this one?
Hmm.
Yes, very good. So this is an ant. Is an is the ant small or big?
Small. Very
Small. Very good.
very
So
very small.
ants are very, very
Small.
small. Very good. So next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this?
Snake. Snake.
Snake. Very good. So this is a snake. The snake has legs or have legs.
You
The-
scared? This has no legs.
Yes, snakes. Snakes has no legs. So they just crawl. So they like this. They crawl. For
Did
them
you
to move
scare
to
the snake?
what?
Did you scare the snake?
I am scared of snake. Hmm, depends because some snakes they are kind. They are pets. Some snakes can be pets. And
I'm really
I
scared.
you are scared of snakes?
Yes.
Oh, why? Why are you scared of snakes?
But the
Last
snake is very, very yum.
very yummy?
No,
The snake might eat you?
no.
Why are you scared of the snake?
I don't know.
You don't know. How about you,
But I
Jang?
like to scare.
You like to be scared? How about you, Jang? Are you scared of snakes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Ah, you're scared? You're scared of snakes? So some snakes, so they are kind, but some snakes, so they are venomous. When we say venomous, so they have poison. That is why if they bite you, so your health might be in danger. So it is correct that we should be scared of snakes. Okay, so next. Okay, so now let's move on to our animal. So let's read this
They
one.
that phrase.
Bat friends, very good. Okay, so how many bats can you see in the
Three,
picture?
three.
But wow, Bat and Friends. So is that a book about bats?
This
Okay, so we have here three bats. So they are friends. Okay. So are you scared of bats? Yes or no? No? So brave, huh? But I think
it
bats
can
are not. Hmm?
bats can button
Bats can? What do bats do? Or how? How how do
bats can
bats sleep? How do they sleep? Do you know? So
bats
like this.
can fly.
Yes, very good. Bats can also fly. So bats can fly because they also have, what do we call
Wings,
this one?
wings, wings,
Wings.
wings.
Very good because they have wings. And for teacher's question, how do bats sleep? So they look at this bats. So these two bats. So they can
So
sleep.
great.
Yes, so they can sleep in the tree upside down. So they can sleep upside down. So that is their nature of sleeping. So they sleep upside down. Okay. So next, let's go to our next animal. Okay, what animals are this?
We're friends.
Bird friends. Very good. And what bird or what kind of birds are these?
They are flat wings.
They have wings. Very
Wings.
good. They have wings. And what kind of birds? Are these parrot? Yes or no?
Yeah. No.
Yeah. Ah,
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, so these are parrots. But we have here different kinds of parrot colors. So we have here, what color is this one? This one. What color of the parrot is this? It is red,
Red, white, black, yellow, blue.
yellow, and
Blue.
blue. Very good. So our first parrot, it is red, white, black, yellow, and blue. How about this parrot? What color?
This
The second one is color
blue.
blue and
Blue and yellow and black and
yellow,
white.
black and white. Very good. How about our third parrot? What colors are these?
It has green, yellow, blue, black, and white.
Wow, very good, Jam or Jang. So we have here the last parrot, which is color green, yellow, blue, black, and white. So parrots, so they are kinds of birds. So we consider them bird friends. Next, let's go to our next page. Okay, what animals are this?
Monkey friend.
Monkey friends, very good. And how many monkeys can you see in the picture?
I said two monkeys.
Very good. I see two monkeys. And what do you think are they doing?
They the they climb.
They are
Climb.
they
Play
are
in the tree.
playing
In the
in the
tree.
tree. And they also
They also
climbing
climbing.
climbing in
What
the
they eat. What they eat.
what what
It
do
don't
what do monkeys eat?
eat.
What do monkeys eat? Do you know what fruits?
It's Banana.
Very good. So they eat banana. And also they eat other kinds of fruits. So these are the food of the monkeys. So usually, what is the color of the monkeys?
It's brown.
It is
Black
brown.
and white.
Brown, black, and white. Brown, black, and white monkeys. Very good. So now let's move on to our next animal. What animals
It's a
are
frog.
this?
Frog friend.
Frog. Frog friends. Very good. How many frogs can you see in the picture?
There are two.
There are two frogs. Very good. And what color are the frogs? They are they are color. What color?
Red.
Color red?
No, blue.
Blue and how about
Red.
their eyes?
Red. Red,
Blue
blue, and yellow and black.
and
And blue
very
is sky blue.
very good. And Jang,
The
what are
blue,
what are
sky blue.
sky blue? Very good. And also sky blue. Okay, so Jang, what what are the frogs doing? What do you think they are doing?
The frog talk with friends.
Very good. So the frogs are talking
Talk with
with
friends.
their
Different.
friend. Very good. Good job to the both of you. So next, let's go to our next animal. Okay. What animal is this?
It's a tiger friend.
Tiger friends. Very good. And let's look at the picture. How many tigers are there?
There are
In the
two tigers.
There are two tigers. And what color do they have?
It has yellow, orange, brown, tongue is red, and white. White.
Very good. Good job. So they have yellow, red, orange, black, brown, and white. So what are the tiger doing?
It can climb. It can swim. Climb. It can swim. It can run.
It can
Can run
run.
very fast. It can eat.
It can eat. What?
Meat cow. Meat
Very,
pig. Meat
very,
chicken. Meat
very good. So tigers can
rat.
eat meats such as chicken, and other meats. So very good, Jang. So for that idea, so they eat meat. So they also can run very fast. That is why that is why you should be careful when you are near tigers. Okay? Okay, next.
Okay.
Let's go to our next animals. What animals are these?
Neck.
Snake. So these are our snake friends. So how many snakes can you see in the picture?
Two.
Two. Let's say, there are two snakes. And what color do they have?
Yellow and brown. Yellow, brown, green, orange, red. Red.
Green, orange, and red. Very good. And do you think that these snakes are friendly? Yes or
Yeah,
no?
yeah, no,
Yes? No?
no.
Yes. Why no? Why no, Jang? Why not? Why are they not friendly?
But but it do not play. He.
Yes. In the picture, do you think they are friendly? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes. Why yes, Nam?
but I
Because
see because I see it's happy.
yeah, wow, very good. Because I see it's happy or they are. So the
Friend.
snakes are happy and they are friends. Okay, so these snakes, so they are
Okay.
friendly to each other. Okay, so next, let's go to our next animal. Okay, so let's look at our next animal. What animals are these?
Friend.
And friends, very good. And
I
can you
have infinite
you have you have what?
infinite infinite
Infinity? How many ants are there in the picture? Can you count? How many? Let's count. One, two, six.
16. 16. Wow. 16.
How many? 16. Very good. So let's say there are 16 ants. Okay. And what color are the ants in the picture? What color? They are color
It has brown and it has brown and black.
brown and black. So very good. And what do you think are they doing in the picture?
Yay. You find some food. Find
Mm,
some
very,
food.
very good. The ants are hunting for food. And what are they holding? What are this?
This a leaf.
Yes, so they are holding leaves. Okay, so this
They
is
eat leaf.
yes, these are leaves. So look, they have leaves. So this will be or this will serve as their food. So those are the leaves. Okay. So next page. Okay. So let's look at the picture. So what do we call them? What animals are
Jungle
this?
friends. Jungle friends.
Very good. So this is our jungle friends, or what do we call the animals that lives in the jungle? And what are those animals that we have here? We have what are the animals in the picture?
Tiger. We have snake, tiger, frog, and bats. Frog, frog, and snake, and monkey.
And what so very good. So good job to the both of you. So we have snake, bird, tiger, bat, monkey, frog, and ant that lives in where do they live? Where do these animals live? They live in the
In jungle.
jungle. Jungle, very good. So they live in the jungle. Okay, so next let's have some activity. Okay, so let's answer this. So can you read this one, Jang? These words? Can you please read? Bird. Let's read. Bird, monkey. Jang, let's read these words. Let's read bird, monkey. Okay, so teacher will read. Okay, so for this one, so we have here our choices of words. So we have here bird, monkey,
Frog,
frog.
jungle, tiger, and bat, snake.
Very good. So you will choose from these words, which will be the answer to our picture.
No, but I can't match.
You can match. Okay, let's have it. Okay, now let's
No,
look
I
at
can't.
Let's look at our first picture. What do we call this place? What?
Jungle.
Jungle. Very good, Jang and Nam. How about in our second picture? What animal is this? What animal? What animal is that? Can you say the word? It is
It is a bat.
bat. Very good. So next, what animal is this? Okay, what animal is that?
Tiger.
Tiger. Very good. Next. Okay, this one. What animal is this? What animal?
Bird.
What bird? Very good. How about this one? What animal is this? This is what animal? It is
It
a
is a frog.
frog. Very good.
A frog.
Next, what is our next animal? Very good. What animal is that? It is monkey. Good job. Next. And what animal is this? This is an what animal? This is an what animal? Can you say what animal is this? This is an ant. Let's say ant. Very good. And our last animal, what is our last animal? It is
A snake.
a snake. Very good. Next, let's go to our next page. So good job to the both of you for answering this activity. I can see that you really understood our jungle animals. So now let's move on to our next page. Okay, so let's look at the video. What animal is that?
It is an eagle.
An eagle. And what kind of animal is an eagle? It it is
Oh,
it is a bird. So this animal, yes, so very good, Jang. So this is an eagle.
eagle.
Yes, so let's read our sentence. The bird,
It's flying in the sky.
very good. The bird is flying in the sky. So, Jang, what is the bird doing in the video? Jang, what is the bird doing? The bird is, the bird is fly.
Fly.
Yes, very
In the
good. So the bird is flying or the bird can fly. Good job. Next, let's go to our next animals. What animals are very good? It's a frog. So these are frogs. So how many frogs are there in the picture? There, very good. There are four. There are four frogs. And what are the frogs doing?
The frog is jumping.
Very good. So the frogs are jumping. So good job. Next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this?
It is a tiger. It's a tiger.
A tiger. Very good. And what is
The
the tiger doing?
tiger
Tiger
is
is chasing
uh,
the pig.
it's not a pig.
It is a pig. It is a pig. It is a native pig. So there are pigs that are color black. It is a pig. But in this one, let's read. So the tiger, let's
What
read that
the tiger is eating a grass? No, it's cheese.
it's chasing it's chasing the pig. So for this one, the tiger is running in the grass. Okay, so very good. Next, let's go to our next animal. What
I
animal?
see coconut trees, coconut.
Very good. I
A
see
monkey.
the
A coconut
trees.
trees.
The
Monkey.
monkeys are
The
in
monkeys
the
are in the coconut tree.
how many?
That's
Very good. There are
you.
two. And what are the monkeys doing in the coconut tree?
They're climbing and no
The monkeys.
tree.
Very good. The monkeys. Let's read. The monkeys are climbing.
Climbing in the trees.
Very good. And what is this monkey doing? It is
It's
holding a.
a coconut.
Very good. This monkey is holding a coconut. And what do you think they will
No.
do in the coconut? They will
Eat. It will drink.
it
Drink
will,
and eat.
yes, the monkeys will drink and eat the coconut. So very good. Okay, let's read this. The monkeys, the
Will
monkeys,
drink and eat the coconut.
very good. Let's read this one. The monkey or
The
this
monkey
monkey,
are climbing. This monkey is holding the coconut.
very good. So good job. How about you, Jang? Can you read this one? I see. I see. Can you read this one? Can you read? I see coconut trees. So I see monkey. The monkeys are in the coconut tree. Okay. So next, what animal is this?
It's a bird.
It's a bird. How about these tiny animals?
They
What?
eat the ant.
Yes, the bird is eating the ant. So let's read our sentence. So very good. So the bird is eating the ants. So
What
can
the
you,
bird eating? The ant.
yes, so can you count how many ants are there in the picture? There are
16. 16. 16. 16.
how
One
about
more,
this one?
one more ant is in the mouth of the bird.
Very good. So there are 16 ants because the other ant is in the mouth of the bird. So very good. You have a sharp eye now. Next, let's go to our next one. Okay. So for this one, so we will talk about living and non-living things. So let's go first with non-living things. Okay, so can you read this one, Jang?
Non-living things are things that are not alive. They cannot grow if moved by
Selves.
themselves.
Breathe.
The breath.
Very good. Okay, let's read this word again, Nam. Let's say alive.
Alive.
Breathe.
Green.
Very good. Okay, so let's focus in this non-living things. So when we say non-living things, so these are things that are not alive. So for
Maybe I
example,
drink water.
Very good. So for example, this toy. This toy is an example of a non-living thing
Do you like
because
do you like a teddy bear?
yes, I have a
Oh,
teddy bear.
you have a
Think,
toy? Oh, you have a choice?
yes, I have a lot of toys here. So these toys, so for example, these toys are non-living things. Nam is Nam is getting a toy. Okay. So for this one, these are examples of non-living things because they cannot move by themselves. They are not, or they cannot eat. They can also not breathe. So these are examples of non-living things. So they are not moving. Okay, so next, let's go with our next word. So we have here, so can you read our next word? It is living,
Things.
living thing. So
Everything.
very good. So when we say living things, so can you read this
Everything
one?
are things that are alive. They can grow, eat, move, the breath.
Okay, very good. So when we say
Oh,
living things, so these are the things that are alive. So they can grow, they can eat, they can move, and they can breathe. So for example, people like us, like Jang and Nam and teacher. So we are living things because we can eat, we can grow, we can move, and we can breathe. So these are
you see?
so
You
these
see?
I can breathe.
Do
Okay. So now let us see if you
you
understood.
swim?
What did you say?
Is you swim?
It is? What did you say?
Can you swim?
I can swim? Yes, I can swim. How about you? Can you swim, Nam?
I can swim. Can
Wow,
fly.
very good, Jang. You can swim.
Can fly.
You can fly. How?
Yes.
Do you have wings?
Yes.
Can I see? Oh no. How about you, Nam? Can you fly
No.
also?
Yeah. Yes. No. I can fly. But I can jump.
Can you jump? Jump, jump, jump. Be careful, be careful. Very good. Oh, be careful. You might fall. Okay, so now let's go with our pictures here. So let us analyze what are the non-living and living things. Okay, so let's look at our first picture. Do you know what is this object or this thing?
Is
It
oh, I don't know.
is, you
I
don't
don't
know?
know. It I don't know. Bread.
So we call this fence.
Bread. Bread.
Fence. Yes, so we call this fence. So it is like a gate in our house to make us or to protect us or to protect our house. So this is also considered as a decoration in the house. So do you think the
You eat a soup for me.
is Superman? So do you think a fence is a non-living or living thing? Non-living or living thing?
Non-living.
Very good. So non-living because this fence is not alive. So it cannot move, cannot grow, it
Oh,
cannot
I
eat.
can move. I can move. I can
Yes.
move.
Yes, you can move because you are a living thing. Okay, let's move on to our next. Okay, what is this? This is a
Boy, play the swing.
Very good. A boy. Is the boy a non-living or living thing?
Living the thing.
Very good. So this boy is a living thing because it is a person. So it can eat, it can grow, it can move, and it can breathe like you. Okay,
Can
so
you move?
next.
Can you
Yes,
move?
I can move.
You walk?
I can walk, but my room is so
You walk.
my room is
Okay, back.
no, I can't walk. Okay, so next, let's go to
You
our
don't have
next
leg. You don't have
picture.
leg.
I
You
don't
don't
have
have
legs.
leg. You
I have
can,
legs. I
but
have
you
legs.
can't walk. Why? But you can't walk.
My room is messy. Okay, so next, let's go to our next picture. What
But
is
you don't
this?
have leg.
I have legs. See, I
No,
have legs.
no, I can't see your legs.
Uh, because it is hiding my legs. Okay.
You
ne-
you can crawl, but
I can crawl.
because you
Yes.
but because you don't have a leg.
I have legs. I can walk.
You need a snake, but you don't have leg.
I am a snake. Okay, so next. Okay, let's look at this picture. What is this? Is this a non-living or a living thing?
Is
It
not
is?
not living.
Huh? Are you sure?
Living thing.
Very good. So this is a living thing because this is a dog. So
It
it is
can
alive. S-
it can grow, it can eat, it can move.
And they
Mm,
can breathe. Very good. How about this object? Is this a non-living or a living thing?
not living.
Very good. And do you know what object is this?
I don't know.
You don't know? So this is a water
What the hole?
hose. Yes, very good. So this is a
Do you
water
have a
hose.
water hose?
Yes, I have. I have outside my
I don't.
house. You
I
don't
have
have?
one. Why? But you don't have legs.
I have legs.
No,
I
I
just
can
can't you
see
just
the.
can't see because my room is
No,
messy,
I
you know?
don't. It's not a leg.
I have legs. Okay, so
But
next.
you have one leg.
I have two.
No, you have one.
Huh? How do you know?
But I can see your leg. No, your
Zero
one leg.
legs?
You have one leg.
Okay, I have one leg. Okay, next. What is this? What do you call this object in the
It's
picture?
a flower. Oh, it's
Flower or flowers. These are flowers. Are these non-living or living things?
non-living.
Very good.
Living.
So this is a living thing. So very good job.
Yay.
Yes, very good.
Non-living.
It is a living
Non-living.
thing because it can grow. So when you plant the flower, it can grow.
Oh.
Yes. So they are not alive. We cannot see them. They are not alive hypothetically, but they are alive. If we
See the,
if we take care of plants, they will grow. They will
you see
bloom.
a root?
Yes.
A root. You can see a root?
Root of the flower.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, I have seen before the root of the
Give
flower.
me one. Give me one apple trees.
I will give
Give
you one
me
apple tree.
one apple tree in your garden.
You
Give
want?
me. Give me two apple trees.
You want? I will give you. I have a lot
Give
of
me
money in Grow a
2 million.
Garden.
Give
My
me 2 million. Give me two grapes. Give
O-
me two grapes.
okay, sure. I will give you.
Do you have a watermelon?
Watermelon? Do we have watermelon in Grow a Garden?
Yes, have.
Oh no, we don't have.
Yeah. Oh, why?
We
Why
only have
have? I have.
I have
Roblox.
Roblox. Yes, I have. But we don't have watermelon in Grow a Garden.
Okay.
We only have like strawberry, banana, pineapple. What are the fruits in Grow a Garden? So we don't have
Oh,
watermelon.
strawberry. Strawberry.
Blueberry. We have
Blueberry.
blueberry and
Grapes.
mango. Grapes,
Grapes.
yes. Mango also. We have mango.
And carrot.
And
Carrot.
carrots. Yes, we have carrots in Grow a Garden. So it
And
is
đi.
it is being eaten by the rabbit,
No.
the pet
Do
rabbit.
you have a pet?
I have pets. I have a lot of pets.
Give me a dinosaur.
I have a
But
dinosaur.
I don't have.
You don't have dinosaur?
I have pet. Give me a pet. His name. Give me a dog. Give me a dog too.
Okay, I will give you after our lesson. Let's finish first our
Really?
lesson, okay?
Really?
Okay. Let's finish
No.
first. No? Okay, let's go with this one. Is this a non-living or living thing?
Non-living.
Non-living. Very good. And what is this? This is a
It's a ball. Living.
ball. What kind of ball? It is a basket.
A basketball.
Very good. How about this one?
You play the football. Can you play football?
Me?
Can you play football?
No, I don't play football.
I can. Why? I can.
I only play badminton. Do you know badminton?
Oh, I like to play badminton too.
Oh, do you play How about you, Jang? Do you play football?
Do you want to play ping pong?
Oh, I don't know how to play ping pong. I
Do
only
you like
know
to play tennis?
tennis. I don't know also how to play tennis.
You can say you can peekaboo.
What?
Peekaboo.
Pecan ball. Oh, I don't play also that one. I only play badminton.
Oh, I
Badminton
can play
and
basketball,
wow.
badminton, football, football.
How about volleyball? Do you play volleyball?
At volleyball? I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't
So
know to play.
you don't know to play volleyball. Okay, so next, let's go to our next picture. Is this a non-living or living thing?
Living thing.
How about this one? The house. Is the house non-living or living thing?
Non-living.
How about the trees? Is this a non-living or living thing?
Living.
Very good. How about the grass? Is this a non-living or living?
Living.
Very good.
Living.
Very good. So for our last picture, is this a non-living or living thing?
Living thing.
Very good. And I have more examples of a non-living and living thing. And you will tell teacher if it's a non-living or living thing. Okay, so let's have here. How about Let me see. How about water? Is it a non-living or living thing?
Living thing.
Are you sure?
No.
No. Okay, so for the water, it is a non-living thing. So they cannot grow, but they can move because it can move by the wind, but it can basically not cannot move by itself, the water. So how
TV.
about TV? Yes, how about TV? Is a TV non-living or living thing?
Non-living. Non-living.
Very good. It is a non-living. So it cannot open by
A
itself.
TV. Eat a TV.
How about
Eat a TV.
how about let's see, how about this scissor? This Caesar. Is it a non-living or living thing?
Non-living.
Non-living. Very good. How about a spider? Is it a non-living or living thing?
Living thing.
Living thing. Very good. And how about a fish?
Living thing.
Living thing.
Living.
And very good. How about, let's see here. How about a car? A car. Is it a non-living or living thing?
Living thing. What?
Are you
What?
sure?
What?
A
I can
car.
hear.
A
I
car.
can hear. I can hear.
A car. Can you hear? A car. Is it
Um,
non-living or living
non-living.
thing?
Non-living.
Very good. So, Jang is correct. So the car can move, but
Ah,
it cannot move by itself. So it needs a person for it to be driven. So a car is a non-living thing because it cannot move by itself. Okay.
it is a snake.
How about
But why? But you can play football. Letters.
le-
Letters.
what
It's living thing.
what
Why? But you can
letters?
play football. Yes.
Letters?
No. Letters.
Lotters? What is that?
Teacher, why is it, why you can't play football?
Oh, football is not popular here in my place. That is why we cannot play
No, football
football.
is very fun.
Oh, yeah, I know football is fun, but it
My
is
friend
not.
is very like football.
Wow, but it is not popular here. So we are
My
not playing football here.
my friend, basketball, what,
Basketball.
251.
Oh, 251 dribble?
Yes,
Wow, that's very good. So basketball,
have 220.
220. Your score
Yes,
in in basketball?
yes.
Wow, that's very good. How about you, Nam? What is your high score in the basketball?
I don't play basketball.
Oh, you don't play basketball,
I
only
I don't
Jang.
like. I can play, but I don't like to play basketball.
Oh, okay, I see. How about what are the things, other things that you play?
Football.
Football. What what is your high score in football?
It, there are 10.
10? Wow, very good. That's a lot. And do you play or do you fight with other teams in football?
I have 3 friends, not in my team,
Oh, you have
and
three friends.
And team 2 is ten friends.
Oh, wow. That's a lot. And are they happy, or what makes you or what do you feel when you play football?
It's happy.
Happy. Very good. How about you, Jang? What do you feel when you
And
play basketball?
friends.
You play with your friends also? And what do you
Two friends.
two friends?
One friend is play basketball. One do you
Oh,
like to play? Do you is Minecraft
oh,
and
Minecraft,
Roblox.
Roblox. Oh, wow. Do they also
Oh,
play Grow a Garden?
oh. Two and two friends play brain rot.
Oh, Brain Rot. I don't play Brain Rot.
Oh, you like tung 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 sahur.
I know Tung Tung Tung
And
Sahur.
you like chalalelo chalala.
I don't like them.
Coca-Cola. You eat 6 7.
I don't know Brain Rot.
Oh, why?
I don't I
Six
don't l-
7.
Okay, now let's go back into our this one. So teacher has a question for this one.
Oh,
So we're
he play football.
yeah, so this
He
in this picture, so there is a boy playing
football.
football. So there is a boy playing football. So where do you think are they? Where are these children? They are in
They are in the park. He's playing
park.
the swing. Do you
Very
like to
good.
play slide?
Fly?
Slide.
Fly? Or a kite?
Slide.
A
Slide.
kite?
Slide.
A slime?
S.
Slime?
Slide. Slide, yes.
I don't like to play slime because it is sticky. It it sticks
You
on my
don't
hands.
like play football, but football not fun.
Football more fun. So I will try playing it. Don't worry, I will try playing football. Okay? We will play. Okay, next. So what are these children doing in the park or in the playground?
Let's
The,
play. Let's play.
the children are playing. So let's look at this boy. What is this boy doing?
Let's play skateboard.
Very good.
Skateboard.
Very good. The boy is playing skateboard. How about this girl? What is she doing?
She's play.
The girl is playing. What do you call that thing that she is holding? Playing
Jump rope.
jump rope. Very good. The girl is playing jump rope. How about this girl?
He's it, she's is drawing a flower.
Oh, wow, very good. So she is drawing a flower. How about
And
this? Very good. How about this boy? What is he doing?
let's play a duck.
Very good. The boy is riding or playing in the dock. And how about this one?
Oh, the duck. Why the duck is not in the water?
Because it is like a ride. You can ride on it. So it is not in
And
the water. It is not a real duck. Okay, next. This
it
one,
is
what is
not.
the boy doing? The boy
Why?
is
Why the duck not move?
because it is only a toy. that you can ride. That is why it is not moving. It is not real dog. Okay, so for this one, let's go to our next page. So very good for answering this question. Okay, let's look at this picture. So what do you think is this place, or what do we call this place in the picture?
Yeah, do you like to go camping?
Yes, I love camping.
I love camping.
You
It's
also love camping. What do you like to eat when you
fast
camp?
to eat fried chicken.
Yes. How about you, Jam?
Like like lollipop because it have vitamin C.
Wow,
C.
very good. Let's say
I
vitamin
like to eat
C.
apple too.
Apple, very good. So good job.
Apple and peach
Apple and peach, so good
and
job.
pineapple.
Pineapple, very good. So very good for eating or eating those fruits because it is healthy for our body. So good job. Okay. So now let's look at this.
Do you like to eat fried chicken?
Yes, I love fried chicken. It is my favorite food. Yes. How about you? What is your favorite food?
My favorite fruit uh is grape.
Is
Grape.
grapes,
Grape, fried chicken,
chicken.
and and no and peach.
Wow. How about you, Jang? What is your favorite food?
Like KFC, KFC, Loteria, and Jollibee.
Wow. Jollibee, you eat Jollibee?
Yes,
Wow, there is Jollibee in Vietnam also?
yes. It's
Wow. So
the half the 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 grandma and grandpa.
oh, that's good to know because Jollibee is a very popular food in the Philippines. Okay, so very good. So now, let us look. What is the boy doing in the picture? The boy is,
The boy is um
what is he doing?
um um
Taking a picture. Okay. So for this
to
one,
die. I want to
yes.
die. I want
Okay.
to die.
You want to? Okay, so for
Yeah,
this one,
I want to die.
you want to
Die.
die?
Yes.
No, you're still young.
Yes, I like to. I
No,
want to die.
no.